All right. It's been a long time. I shouldn't have left you without some fly clips to, you get it. So today, it's been a while since I uploaded anything. Hair looks crazy, right? You know, last time you see me I had the rolls in, but today I'm getting ready to go see my uncle, which I always look forward to doing. That's before I do make my big move. I do have the Cedric running. I probably haven't posted anything about the Cedric. I've just been gallivanting around town and stuff in it. About the Cedric, I need to do something about the front fitment since they took off the spacers. I know. I bought the car with the 3 pieces on there, so I can't do anything about what they say. Get the right size, do the fitment, and dial it in and all that stuff like that. Well, I bought the car like that, so eventually when I do get a chance to dial in the fitment, I'll get some wheels and I won't need spacers, but I don't have a problem with using spacers. So once again, this is for the love of wheels, just in case if you're new, or I only have like 2 videos up, so if you're not new, you still don't really know me too much, too well or whatever. I'm sitting there right now trying to do like 3 different things. Right now I'm about to go and show you. All right, if you ever rent cars, let me tell you, I've had the worst luck with Enterprise rental. They're trash to me. So normally I go and get my cars from like Budget or Aves or something like that, and usually have, for some reason, this downtown La Crosse Enterprise is one of the most annoying. I've had the most difficulty as far as getting cars and as far as just with the people who work there. It's a damn shame. I love the airport for sure when I go out of town and take trips and stuff like that, because I never do drive my cars when I go out of town, just because it saves the wear and tear and the mileage and stuff like that. So like I said, no wheels on it anymore. Got the Maxima, got plates on the Maxima. Cedric's not here right now, but let's go look at this this rental I have. I've always wanted to drive the new, I like to look at the new Malibu, but this is the 4-banger, which is, I can see if it was like a 4-banger with some juice on it. Weak sauce, man, I'm telling you right now. Let me go clean these windows. Look, this is how I got it. So they said we just washed it. Yeah, for sure. I can see that. Window spots. I don't know if it's coming through on the whatever, but yeah. He said, oh, just a little wear and tear. I have cars that are like 14 years old. I don't have, he said, I'm pretty sure this car is only a couple years old. Wear and tear right there. Look at that. Oh, it should be all right. And the car smells like boo-boo. So I'm gonna have to spray something in there. Otherwise, it's a good looking car, but this one is just, I don't know. But yeah. So I'm about to clean these windows off here. I'll get back to you, but another thing, I'm gonna start uploading more videos and being more vigilant. My plans are right now, since I don't have any wheels on the Lexus, the LS400, I will probably get some wheels. Last ones were 19s. I got them for Fitment. It's a long story about Fitment Industries. I don't have anything bad to say about it, because I guess it is kind of my fault. I bought them. I didn't, I didn't expect them to get, to be warped when they got to me. They were delivered warped. It's like you ordered the stretch. I didn't order them the stretch on there. I guess looking and dialing the fitment, that I look and see what, I don't know. I just guess that they would put the ones that they weren't super stretched, but they're stretched enough, and I guess they warped the wheel. And so that's what they're telling me when I took it to Defiant Motorsports. So yeah, so those wheels and tires are gone. There was name kangs on there anyway, so I didn't really care if they were gone or not. So I'll probably do some different ones for the 400, and I decided to keep it. I'm like, I'm not even gonna, in this market right now where used cars are off the chain, I'm not gonna probably buy anything, no scat packs, nothing like that, no Hellcats. Definitely not that SRT Durango, the Hellcat Durango, but I'm probably not buying any of that stuff right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and stick to what I got and try to make the most of it. That means the 430, the Lexus, the Cedric, and the Maxima, and the Mustang headlight fell out, so I'm gonna have to do something about that too. I got the guy pulling up on me right now, so let's see what he's talking about. But I'll get back to you guys. All right, I'll holler at you. All right, now back to the fact that this car is still boo-boo. I just cleaned off the windows. I'll show you let me show you the difference real quick. Let me just look at them, because right now it's just I don't know, did all right job with it. I would do the tires, but I don't feel like doing all that stuff. And yeah, let's see. I was just looking down real quick. So windows look a little bit better now. Still have a decent amount of spots on it. I don't know. That's whatever. Car's still clean, not clean. I don't know. And the smells, I can't really give you smell-o-vision. So just imagine it smells like boo-boo. And I'm gonna take my dash cam and put it in there too. But yeah, let me scoot by here. Oh god dang. Mustang, one-eyed wonder right now. Headlight fell out on the street. That's on me. I knew the right one was loose when I took off, and just said, man, let me just go out here and enjoy this car real quick. I'll be lunching sometimes, man. That's on me. I can't blame that on nobody. That's my goofy ass took off of that. Relax, bro. Flies and stuff. I'm probably gonna take some rags to my uncle too, so I can clean out some of his cars. I'm not sure if I'll wash them or not, but I'll surely give him a cleaning or something like that. So I'll put some rags in the back. Story about my uncle is he's got me started with cars. When I was younger, he used to have one of those the old school Broncos, like the classic ones everybody loves. And he used to take me on this off-roading path. Shit was fun. But yeah, so I get to go visit him and do some cool stuff there. Probably mow the lawn, take care of his little estate while I'm there. And I'll probably do a little vlogging while I'm there too. Let's see, is it 11:30 now? I'm probably trying to get my ass out of here before noon. And this is the June 4th, and it's supposed to be 90 all weekend. So it's gonna be a hot one, so I'm pretty sure I probably should pack a hat or something like that, so I don't come back Shaka Zulu after a long week. I'll be there right now it's Friday, so I'll be there until Monday, so I have like 4 days to, well, 3.5 technically, because I probably won't get there until about 5:30 ish, hopefully. That's always the estimated time. See, usually going through Illinois, you don't know what you're gonna run into, and I'm not sure when I'll hit, you know, where I need to be at. There we go. Pop this trunk here, put some of that stuff in the back. I don't know when I'll hit it, but hopefully I hit it at a decent time and I'm able to get into at least Illinois at a decent time. But yeah, that being said, still debating on what I want to do as far as when I do decide to get another car, when I do get out to Vegas. Haven't told anyone yet, but there's a couple of bills I want to do. I'm sitting there trying to wrap this up. I know I got to get my butt moving. I can do more from when I get to my uncle's house, but I kind of want to get some things done as far as bills. I have a Dodge Daytona on my mind, like an 84, 85 Daytona Turbo Z, the first gen, not the second gen. And let me tell you a secret. I know it sounds crazy, but I want to swap it with another Mopar and then make it all-wheel drive. Tell me if I'm nuts or not. Power to weight, and just keep the tune on it modest. Maybe just a pulley, a little Diablo sport tune. You already know what swap I'm thinking about.